All right, hey guys, this is Jason with FCN4U, and I want to show you how you can register your account on FCN4U to get started to creating content that you can publish either for your local community or nationally. Okay, so when you're on the home page of the website, you can go to sign in, and on the sign in, you've got your login information right here. If you have a login, if you do, you can reset your password right here, or you just go to register. Okay, and user name can be two names or two words, and you can have spaces or capital letters, but it all has to be the same when you log in. So if you use capital letters, it needs to be the same thing when you try to log in with capital letters. So it's case sensitive. In this for you, I'm going to do FCN4U. So let me type that in, FCN4U, and I'm going to do it as a 1, okay? And then I'm going to put my name in, and you'll be able to, when you set up your account, you could hide this information. And I got RBC Consulting 101, and I'm going to put a plus sign and call this FCN4U1. Now that plus before the @ sign gmail.com allows you to create sub emails. Okay, that just allows me to create sub emails because I already have an email being used on the account. This is not specific to FCN4U. You can do this anywhere you want on the internet, but when you put a plus in there, that's your user ID or your email name plus whatever it is at gmail.com. That looks like a brand new email. Okay, make sure you put in a strong password. Okay, and make sure it's not the password you used before. And so make sure it's the same. And you can actually check that by clicking on the eye here, and then agree to the terms and conditions. Now I have a short video on the terms and conditions, but basically what this says, any content on this site is considered royalty free. That is including written, images, video, audio, or other media. All of it has to be royalty free, and you're the owner of that content. Now you can curate other people's content, but make sure you give them credit for their work. Okay, and give a link back to their site and their name. Okay, so it's very important that you do that from a legal standpoint because it's your content that you're creating on this website, not FCN's for you. All right, so then at this point, just register, and you're going to see successfully registered, and you won't have that. That's just a pop-up for me. Now here it is, support, and it says FCN, please verify your account. So go to your email, verify your account, and then click on confirm email. And now all you have to do is log back in. When you log back in, use the FCN4U and whatever that user ID was, and I had a 1 in front of this, and then your password. Okay, and then you can log directly in, okay, if you type in your password correctly. Okay. So what you can do is go back here and see I have a small u, and I did not put that in up here. See, I got a capital U here. So if I put the small u in there, it's the same password, it will log me in. So I even made my own mistake, and you can come back and look at your user ID right there and make sure you don't make a mistake when you're trying to log in. All right, so now I'm logged in and I have an account, but I still can't create content. When you click on create post, it's going to redirect you to your account page. Now you can set up your profile page and everything, but let's set up everything in asterisks. Now your first name and last name, if you don't want it to be shown, you could say only me and then only me. Okay, anything in red needs to be filled out. Okay, you can say if you want it, but only you to see that, then you can say only me. Just change it from the global, worldwide to you. Now you can go through here, or you can type in your actual date of birth. And that's important because we got to make sure that we have the right age of people creating content. Okay, and at that point, I will hide my ID. You can say pick anything from your occupation. I would pick something that's close to your occupation. Let's just say I'm a PM, project. I'm really a net developer. And then pick your, and again, you could say only me, your phone number. Now this is if we need to get a hold of you. And then you can also say only me, so nobody sees your phone number if you don't want it hidden. Pick your country, and then when you see type here, this is where you could type really fast. And it's United States for me. There it is, state, North Carolina, and then county, again, Wake, and select that one, and then city, RAL, Raleigh, and then you type in 27613, and then you can put your home address in there. It does help you from a search capability for local content. And then just update your account, and make sure you update your account, or else all that you have to retype it in again. And then go back up here and add your profile picture, okay? You can add your profile picture right here, and then add your background. Now I just went to the website and copied a nice image, and it's not really important to have the specific background, but you can make it kind of fit your logo if you wanted to. But in this case, it's kind of difficult to do, so I would just do it just like that. At this point, you're done with your registration. Make sure you go back down and update again so that you can do it. Now you can create content, and you see this, creating posts. I like dark mode the best, so I'm going to go to dark mode in there, and then you can go back and forth. You can actually comment on somebody's post down below here. Now you have that ability to comment too. All right, hopefully that was helpful, and let us know what you think of FCN4U. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.